Good afternoon, Mr. Dell. I am Ignas and my friend Kevin. Today we will present about scientific article about effectiveness of using AI voice command in increasing college student productivity. So my friend Kevin will continue to introduction.
Okay, the abstract of our scientific article, the study explore how AI voice command technology impact college student productivity. And we aim to understand how students currently use AI voice for both academic tasks and non-academic activities, uh, such as time management, organization, and all. And beyond effectiveness, we are investigating user experience factors like ease of use, accuracy, and satisfaction. The finding will offer recommendation to optimize AI voice command used in higher education, ultimately supporting better student learning and informing technology strategies for institution. And problem definition of our scientific article is potentially of AI voice command as productivity boosting tool, lack of optimization recommendation for AI voice command used in higher education, and factor influencing user experience of AI voice command. And this is our research objective. There are analyzing the effectiveness of AI voice command in enhancing college student productivity, identified and evaluate key factors influencing the effectiveness and acceptance of AI used voice command. Also, provide recommendation for optimizing AI voice command use and support improve student learning effectiveness. And the literature review of our uh, scientific article is technology acceptance model or TAM, use intention of voice AI, performance expectancy, effort expectancy, product features, user satisfaction. And these are the method, quantitative approach. The study utilizes a quantitative research approach to investigate the effectiveness of AI voice command usage in increasing quality student productivity. And the research design and data collection method were developed to align with the conceptual model, which is positive relationship between behavior, is it attention of voice AI, performance expectancy, effort expectancy, product features, and user satisfaction. And the studies involved over 200 students representing various fields of study who actively use AI for comment tools. And this is our research model. And after this, my friend Ignas will explain the research hypothesis.
Our method in this analysis is using SAM-PLS. For the research hypothesis, it's based on our research model. So, for H1, use intention of voice AI, or we say that UIVAE, has a positive impact on performance expectancy, or PE. And use intention of voice AI has a positive impact on effort expectancy. And then use intention of voice AI has a positive impact on product features. And then performance expectancy has a positive impact on user satisfaction. And then effort expectancy has a positive impact on user satisfaction. And then product features has a positive impact on user satisfaction too. This is the process for table one. Use intention of voice AI or UIVAI one. I often use voice command AI in my academic activities. And then I feel comfortable using voice command AI to complete daily tasks. And then I prefer using voice command AI over typing manually. And then using voice command AI has become a habit in both my academic and non-academic activities. And then for the last one is I use Voice Command AI to help manage my schedule and academic task reminders. And after that, for the performance expectancy, I plan to continue using Voice Command AI in my academic activities. And then I want to increase the frequency of using Voice Command AI in my learning activities. For the third one is if better features have are available, I will use Voice Command AI more frequently. And then I believe that Voice Command AI can help me become more productive. And then I am interested in exploring more features offered by Voice Command AI to support my activities. For avoid expectancy, for the first one is I feel that Voice Command AI helps me complete tasks more quickly. And then the use of Voice Command AI increases efficiency in managing my study time. And then Voice Command AI makes it easier for me to find academic information. And then I feel that Voice Command AI can improve the quality of my work. For the last one, for expectancy is I'm interested in exploring more features offered by Voice Command AI to support my activities. Next. For product features, Voice Command AI has good accuracy in recognizing my voice commands. And then I feel that Voice Command AI can be well integrated with other applications I use daily. And then I feel that Voice Command AI can understand and execute commands quickly and accurately. For user satisfaction, I feel that the features available in Voice Command AI are sufficiently helpful for my activities. And then, Voice Command AI technology is easy to use and understand. I'm satisfied with my experience using Voice Command AI in both academic and non-academic activities. And then, Voice Command AI has helped me become more productive in completing tasks. And then I will recommend the use of Voice Command AI to my friends. And then I have not experienced any significant difficulties while using Voice Command AI. And then overall, I feel that using Voice Command AI provides a more practical experience compared to manual methods. Next. For the results and discussion, respondents response on using AI to complete academic assignment. The majority of respondents, 47.2%, have rarely used voice command AI, while only 17.1% respondents are very often using voice command AI. In age distributions, most respondents are between 18 until 21 years old. The percentage is 75%, while the small portion of respondents are in above 25 years old, or 2.8%. From the percentage below, we can assume that the majority user of voice command AI is in age 18 until 21%, which is 75%, with rarely using voice command AI. The use of voice command AI appears to be more rarely among these ages. So this is our table about the results of our form about our scientific article. Next. So measurement model using validity and reliability. In this study, data were collected from 216 respondents with diverse age range and varying level of voice command AI usage frequency. Prior to conducting structural analysis, an evaluation of the measurement model was carried out to ensure that the indicators used effectively measures the intended latent constructs in a valid and reliable manner. Next, this is our SIM PLS model using outer model. So convergent validity was assessed by examining the outer loadings of each indicators on their respective constructs. The results showed that all indicator had loading values above zero point 0.7. For example, indicator for use intention of voice AI construct had loadings ranging from 0.847 to 0.892. Indicator for effort expectancy range between 0.856 and 0.891. Other constructs, such as performance expectancy, product features, and user satisfaction, also demonstrate strong indicator loading all above zero point 0.8. This finding confirms that the indicator used in this study satisfies the criteria for convergent validity. And then the construct's reliability was evaluated using the average virus extractor or AVE with a recommended threshold value of 0.50. The following AVE values were obtained. For use intention of voice AI is 0.659, and for effort expectancy is on 0.648, and then product features is in 0.502, and then performance expectancy is in 0.659, and then for the last one, user satisfaction is in 0.x76. All AVE values exceed the minimum requirement, indicating that the each construct has satisfactory internal reliability. These values also suggest that over 50% of the variance in the indicator is accounted for by their respective constructs. Next. So this is figure 3 for model bootstrapping. Next. And then for each variable inference toward one and another. So this is our auto loading model on table. Next. And then there is construct validity and reliability, which is the Cronbach alpha for effort expectancy is in 0.92, and for performance expectancy is in 0.909, and for the product features is in 0.862, and for the use intention of voice AI is in 0.92. User satisfaction is in 0.939. And for the composite reliability or RHOA, for effort expectancy is in 0.921, performance expectancy is in 0.91, product features 0.862, use intention of voice AI is in 0.92, user satisfaction is in 0.94. For the composite reliability or RHOC is in 0.94. And then for the performance expectancy is in 0.932, and then for the product features is in 0.916, and for the use intention of voice AI is in 0.94, and for user satisfaction is in 0.95. For the average variance extracted or AVE, effort expectancy is in 0.758. For the performance expectancy is in 0.7730, and for the product features is in 0.784. For the intention of voice AI is in 0.758, and for the user satisfaction is in 0.732. Oke, next. Sorry. For the path coefficient, sabar. Uh, Award expectancy has a path coefficient to user satisfaction is 0.48, and then the performance expectancy to user satisfaction is in 0.126, and for the product features to user satisfaction is in 0.377, and for the user intention of voice AI to effort expectancy is in 0.8 05. For the perform use intention of voice AI to performance expectancy is in 0.812. For the use intention of voice AI to product features is in 0.708. Okay, next. Sabar, wait, sorry, one more. For path coefficient bootstrapping model, the original sample for effort expectancy to user satisfaction is 0.48. Simple mean or mean 0.48. Standard deviation 0.071. For the t statistic 6.794. For the p-value is 0. And performance expectancy to user satisfaction original sample 0.126. Sample mean 0.124. Standard deviation or STDEV is 0.079. And for the t statistic is 1.994. And for the p-values is 0.111. For the product features and to user satisfaction, the original sample is 0.377. Simple mean 0.379. For the standard deviation is 0.07. The statistic is 5 for 421. And then for the intention of voice AI to export expectancy, original sample is in 0.805 and simple mean 0.806. Standard deviation is 0.026 and the statistic is 31.505 and 5. And its intention of voice AI to performance expectancy is in 0.812. Simple mean 0.812 and standard deviation or STDEV is in 0.026. The statistic in 30.800 and the p-value is 0. Use intention of voice AI to product features. Voice command AI, there are five main constructs being analyzed. Use intention of voice AI, effort expectancy, performance expectancy, product features, and user satisfaction. The analysis includes path coefficient, t-statistic, and p-values to assess the strength and significance of each relationship. The influence of use intention of voice AI on other constructs. The results indicate that use intention of voice AI has a strong and significant influence on three other constructs. Use intention to effort expectancy has a path coefficient of 0.805, a t-statistic of 31.505, and a p-value of 0.000. This implies a very strong and statistically significant relationship, suggesting that the stronger the user intention to use voice AI, the more likely they perceive the technology to be easy to use. Use intention to performance expectancy shows a coefficient of 0.812 with a t-statistic of 30.807 and p-value of 0.000, indicating that intention to use is also highly predictive of users' expectation regarding the technology's performance and utility in completing tasks efficiently. Use intention to product features has a coefficient of 0.708, t statistic 19.519, and p-values is 0.000. These results suggest that users who intend to use voice AI tend to have more positive perceptions of the product features and functionalities. And number two, constructs influencing user satisfaction. The construct user satisfaction is directly influenced by three other constructs. Effort expectancy to use user satisfaction demonstrates the strongest and most statistically significant relationship with a coefficient of 0.48, the statistic 6.794, and p-value 0.000. This indicates that perceived ease of use is a key determinant of user satisfaction. Product features to user satisfaction also shows a significant positive effect with a coefficient of 0.377 The statistic 5.421 and p-value 0.000. This implies that relevant and functional product features positively contribute to a better user experience and satisfaction. In contrast, performance expectancy to user satisfaction has a lower coefficient of 0.126. The statistic 1.594 and a p-value of 0.111, indicating that this relationship is not statistically significant. This suggests that user expectation of performance do not directly influence their satisfaction in a meaningful way within the context of this study. Okay, next. Uh, for the last one is conclusion and suggestion. This study aimed to investigate the effectiveness of AI voice command technology in enhancing college student productivity, particularly in academic and non-academic settings, by applying the technology acceptance model or TAM and using a quantitative research approach with 216 respondents. The study revealed several important insights into how voice AI is perceived and used by students. The findings confirm that use intention of voice AI has a strong and significant influence on three constructs: effort expectancy, performance expectancy, and product features. Among these, the most dominant relationships were between use intention and perceived use of use, as well as performance expectation. Furthermore, user satisfaction was found to be significantly affected by effort expectancy and product features, while the influence of performance expectancy on satisfaction was not statistically significant. These results indicate that students are more likely to be satisfied with voice command AI if the technology is easy to use and has functional reliability features. Simply, expecting improved performance is not enough to ensure satisfaction if the system lacks of usability and practical benefits. Next. The suggestion for developers is focus on improving the accuracy, speed, and natural language processing capabilities of AI voice systems to better meet student needs, enhancing integration with academic tools and platforms could increase usage in academic contexts. For educational institutions, promote a digital literacy program that includes voice AI training and showcase its potential for learning productivity. Institutions can also consider incorporating voice assistants into learning management system. And then for future research, conduct deeper qualitative studies to understand behavioral and nuances, psychological comfort, and long-term impacts of voice command AI use. Further exploration of factors such as trust, privacy concerns, and learning autonomy is also recommended. In conclusion, voice command AI holds significant potential as productivity tool for college students. However, its effectiveness is shaped by how intuitive, accurate, and supportive the system is in helping students achieve their academic and personal goals. Okay, next. Thank you, Ms. Adele, for listening to our presentation about our scientific article about effectiveness of using AI voice command in increasing college student productivity.